You've seen the hull built. We've built a deck. The two have been removed from the molds. Now they're going to come together. We've got a few operations to do on this deck before we ultimately raise it up and lower it down on top of its hull. They're lowering this apparatus in. We'll use the seat base holes, a pancake air cylinder. We'll expand that. Now we can lift the deck up. When the deck goes up in the up position, we're going to turn it over. Once we get it turned over, we can do some foaming in some areas where we can't otherwise get to. So there'll be some foam added, and then down the line we'll see another operation where even more foam is added so that we're virtually filling all of the available cavities. You'll notice on the deck that there's already been plumbing hoses in place. There are chases and tubing for the various things that go through the wiring in the boat or the electrical cables and so forth. He's adding a couple of more chases for wiring, and that will be foamed into place. Once that foam dries, then we'll reverse the deck back to an upright position and lower it down on the hull. The final operations on this deck have been completed. You'll notice that we've applied a putty material or bonding putty. The pultruded floor that I showed you a little bit ago is going to be bonded to the cockpit sole of this interior or this liner. So we're raising the deck up now. We'll flip it over one last time, put the hull underneath it. Now start lowering the deck down into place. It's a shoebox fit, so meaning that it's going to lap over the top of the hull slightly. But once that goes into place, they'll get the bow on and then lower the transom down into position. Give it a slight boost and it'll pop over the outside perimeter of the hull. The last part of this operation is that they're putting a rivet in place around the perimeter just to hold it in place until it dries. Then later, when we come back and put the rubber strip on, or the rub rail we call it, when we install that, it'll be installed with stainless steel screws. There'll also be some laminating done and foaming together, so it's going to take on that one-piece feel from here on out, and it's beginning with this operation where we glue the deck to the hull and make it one piece.